Yeah,
Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
yeah. So the idea, it takes each movie and then
Hmm.
create it and then put it in your database.
Okay.
So now you will have a fill-in database, because before when doing this test, let's see, what is it? Yeah, yeah. When doing this background,
Hmm.
movies have been added to the to database. It was failing.
Oh, yeah, because it looks for the regular expression given the following movies exist.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
yeah. That's the idea.
Okay.
So first of all, you need to comment flank unimplemented, and
Yes,
then
I did that.
yeah, and then you need to add just this line
Okay.
to create a movie. Yeah, I said the new. I'm sorry. I wanted to say create, which is just above new in the
Yes.
like roads. Yeah,
No, it's okay. I understand.
yeah,
Okay. So then the next step is basically using regular expressions to assert that E1 comes before E2, right?
yeah. And the next step, now we've done this background checking that our database
Hmm.
has movies. Now we need to do
Yeah.
the test. So for first test, as far as I remember, let's check. So let's go to the. No, I want. Yeah, and I guess in the first test. Yeah, so first of all, we need to complete the first scenario, which exists in the filter movie list,
Okay.
where yeah, you can use existing to check or uncheck. Yeah. So the idea that we need to see if we checked or unchecked some checkbox.
Okay.
So the thing that Capybara, what does it do? It it's just like it look at your HTML source file,
Hmm.
and it take a look if you have it checked or unchecked your checkbox.
Okay.
And it do that go using this function. If you go to web steps, yeah,
Yes, web steps.
yeah, search for check.
Um,
Pa- 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 check. Yeah, here it is. Did you find it?
to do add support for a checkbox?
No, in the web step it exists already. If a when which is yeah,
Okay,
which
line.
have the check. Yeah, line 90 89.
I see it now.
Yeah. So this one is some kind of regular expression that will if you put I or not, it
Hmm.
doesn't make any difference, and then
Okay.
take check and take whatever after it, and see if you have check field. So
Okay.
whatever comes after this check, it will take a look if your if this checkbox have been like checked.
Okay.
Yeah, and it use in here the ID. So how can we find the ID? If you we need to go to the HTML, and yeah, let's run the website. Probably you need to run the website to see. You remember the ID of last time with like of homework too?
What do you mean?
Like the ID of the checkbox. You remember them?
Oh, geez.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We can find it, but I'm struggling with this.
Let me check. I'll just look at homework 2 on the website. Um,
Yeah, we
mm,
will run it so
I
we can.
ratings form. The checkboxes were called ratings form.
Yeah, no, that's the whole form. Now you need to look
Uh,
at each checked box because
oh, it
if you
was like,
yeah, it was ratings underscore the name of the
yeah,
like yeah the rating name.
yes.
So to see if this checkbox have been checked, you just say when I check, for instance, uh, like I don't know, PG or G.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but in this code, you are seeing that we are using a more complex formula in here because we, like in the next step they ask us to implement this step.
Okay.
Yeah, in the next question. Yeah, in question 2 of the homework.
Okay.
Hmm. So in here, like if you don't want to imagine you don't have this step yet, so
Mm-hmm.
it is enough to put I when I check
Mm-hmm.
uh, code. I don't know how do they call them? Yeah, PG or R or G or so on and so forth. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so in this case, it will test if, let's say, it is the same as when you say if PG is checked, then do the
Okay.
next.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
So did you? Is it fine for like we will run it? No, it would be better, I guess.
Huh?
We will run it to see.
Okay. Did you get all the points on the homework?
Yep.
Okay.
After struggling to say the truth.
So there was no restful roots problems?
There were another problem because
Oh.
I wrote the I wrote the last function at 2 o'clock in the morning, and then
Oh.
I was not that much concentrated,
Yeah.
and I didn't check it anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So if you look, that's what can you see on my? Can you see the source of?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can if you look at let's say what is it? What is it? Yeah. If you look in here, input checked
Mm-hmm.
rating underscore G.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see the ID is rating underscore G, and then the checked is marked as checked. So
Yes.
how that's how Capybara do it. So it
Okay.
and yeah, so it reads this stuff.
Okay.
Hmm. So yeah, let's do what should we do? So did you? Maybe we can try it. Uh, let's try. Maybe would you like to write it or something? I don't know.
What do you mean?
Like to write one. No. Yeah, I will. I will try one of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. When I check blah 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 and I check. Okay, let's save. So the idea in here, I added just one step. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
So normally I have something like it should. We will see if it will pass or not.
Okay.
Let's try it. TD. Then Damn, I forgot. Yeah, cucumber. Yeah, no, not this one. It's quite difficult because I'm working on 4 programming language at the same time. In my work, I'm working on 3 now.
Oh, really? You're working
I'm
on, wait, you're
mixing
working
up.
on Ruby or C? I
No,
didn't
I'm
hear you.
working on
Sorry.
Java.
Ah.
I'm no now right now I'm working in at work on 3 programming language, and in here you have
Mhm.
all this cucumber, Rails, and Ruby.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult.
No, my work just started me on Perl.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
appreciating Ruby a little bit more.
Yeah, and that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Ah, so you are working in programming at least.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. So let's go. So if we want to call to test just one of the Cucumber features, so we
Hmm.
should put the name, the folder name, and then let's say the file name, filter
Hmm.
underscore movie, yeah, underscore list dot feature. And let's say we want to test just like one section. We can test
Hmm.
the whole file, and we can test, sorry, one scenario. And if we want to test
Hmm.
one scenario, just put the number of the, like the first line of the scenario. So it is
Okay.
2024. Yeah. So it is 2.24. Hopefully it will work. It will be embarrassing.
Yeah, no, I had a meeting with my manager in which I was supposed to show him my program and it didn't work. The one time it didn't work.
Yeah, I had the same last week. Indeed,
Yeah.
I my computer crashed, and then I forgot to save, and I lost everything.
Oh
I had
no, that's awful.
Yeah, I needed to rewrite so many code.
Oh gosh, that's awful.
Yeah, we have problem with electricity in here at work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. It will not work. Now I will tell you why. Because I've put PG, and I should put
Mhm.
the ID, and the ID is rating underscore PG. This is not PG.
But then why does it work for the other,
Because
for when you just say,
because I will show you now when we implemented those steps.
Mhm.
Inside those steps, I defined this rating underscore.
Oh, okay.
And like you implement them in the movie steps.rb. Let's fix this one first,
Okay.
and then we'll go there. You see what I mean? So
Yes.
it doesn't take a look directly on the checkbox. You need to have the even the ID or the label of this
Yes.
stuff. Yeah. So you are doing some web development.
No, I'm working on just basically parsing files with Perl.
Ah, okay. Because you can do
Yeah.
some web with Perl as well, isn't it? Or not really? I don't know. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I've never worked on it.
I know that Perl has an object-oriented version,
Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah,
but I'm not working with that version, so it's really weird for me because I'm used to having objects. Even Ruby has objects, but
yeah.
yeah, even C, you had a really cheap way of getting objects, and
That's right.
now I have no object.
Yeah, you have Object C. Uh, uh, on the other, look, now it passed. It turned into green.
Yes.
Before it was red, now it passed.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. Yeah, let's go to this code where I can pass two ratings and check
Mhm.
if they are checked. So we go, yeah, yeah, okay. This is the function. When, can you see
Mhm.
it? Yeah. So
Yes.
indeed, the name of the function is as well a regular expression. So in here,
Okay.
what I'm saying is when it is already written, like they already wrote it for us. Like we need just to
Mhm.
implement what's inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So the idea probably I think when like when I have I at first, and
Mhm.
if I have an or not, so it will this
Mhm.
regular expression will be will match, and then whatever I give it after the 2 points. So
Okay.
it will take those two inputs and put them. So it will go to unchecked, let's say,
Mhm.
and then this point star it will go to rating list.
Okay.
Hmm? So in here,
Um. Hmm.
so normally what we could imagine that rating list would be some kind of comma separated ratings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why we split them first.
Oh,
Like
I see.
yeah, and then we get each rating,
Mhm.
and we do like for each rating we do if it is uncheck instead of check.
Yes.
If it is sorry, if it is check, we do like we call, like if we want to call already defined step, we just use the keyword step,
Mhm.
and then in here we are creating some kind of a string.
Okay. Ooh, sorry.
No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
some kind of a string which contain the same stuff that we put in here. We've put in here. If you can notice
Okay.
it. Yeah. You see what I
Oh, I
mean?
see. Yes.
Mm. So
Yes, I do.
we are just recreating the string.
Yes.
I check rating.pg, and we are reiterating over the different. Sorry, we are reiterating over the different ratings.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we have check, it will do this. If we have uncheck, it will change just check with uncheck.
Okay.
That's all. And that's it.
Hmm.
It's a trick is a syntax, but like the concept is not that difficult.
Yeah, no, the coding isn't tricky. It's just it's all new.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm so out of my element.
yeah. That's the thing. Like mainly the difficult part is to learn all this, yeah, context and the syntax and how to
Yeah,
think about it.
exactly. It's
Mm.
as much as CS is a different way of thinking, this is a different way of thinking in CS.
Yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right.
Okay, let's see. All right, so that makes sense. And then, um,
So if you have any concern about this one, just let me know.
okay. I think, let me see. Okay.
I'm,
So
I'm gonna tell you what
you
was
just
wrong.
split the string. What?
I'm gonna tell you what took me that long, because I finished yesterday, but then
Oh.
I wrote this stupid 3 lines that were totally stupid.
Mhm.
Like they don't make any sense. They don't make any sense. And then I did not imagine that that was the wrong part of my code.
Yeah. No, that's why I always have a rule for myself. I'm never gonna program after probably about 10 or 11 o'clock, because I end up doing more damage to my program than helping.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Probably you are right. But yeah, it was totally totally waste of time, because I was looking everywhere, but I didn't want, like I couldn't imagine that the wrong stuff was in here. just in
Yeah,
those three lines.
that always happens. Like, I was debugging my program today, and unfortunately, I didn't have a very good debugger.
Ah,
So I had to just do it with print statements, and I was looking in the completely wrong section of the program.
okay.
And I spent
Yeah.
hours looking at the wrong section.
No, I'm very good with this string like system.out this console debugging. Like
Mm.
I've been doing it all my life, mainly.
Yeah, see, I was taught very early on with IDE debuggers,
Ah, yeah, yeah. No,
and
because like in my country we have really cheap ID.
oh,
Yeah, so they don't pay for it.
yeah, yeah, no. See, I was just completely used to using the IDE debugger or even like GDB for C, and
Yeah.
then I'm running into languages that don't have debuggers, and I'm just like,
Mm.
because I'm just not used to print statements. I know where to put them, I just prefer not to.
Ah, yeah,
Takes me longer.
yeah. They take longer, that's for sure. Mm.
There we go.
Okay, did you run it or something? Like, did you try? And I'm not looking at your. I will go and look there. Yeah.
Not yet. I was gonna implement these three, and then I was gonna try and run it.
Yeah, just run part like a small part of each section so you can be sure. Like I was working at the beginning like that, but then for this function that I was struggling with, I already wrote the good code, but I don't know what happened that it didn't work at the beginning. Probably
Oh, interesting.
I was messing up somewhere else.
Yeah.
Like everything
Okay.
is related in here. It's crazy.
Yeah. All right. Let me. God, how do I like? I just have to be in the rotten potatoes folder, right?
Yep, right. Yeah, you should get go back totally back. Yep, it's in here.
Okay. Okay, and then it's um.
So it is. Yep. No, I forgot. It is bundle.
What
Yeah,
was that?
bundle. Yeah, you cannot understand me. So let take a look on my screen. Wait a second.
Okay.
Yep. What is it? I don't know. I have so many windows open. Yep. So yeah, in here, this one, bundle, execute, cucumber.
Oh, bundle.
Yeah, bundle. Yeah.
Bundle. Okay. Bundle. Execute. Cucumber. Features. Hang on. Is there a slash?
Yeah, and then you write the name of the file and which section exactly you want to test.
Um. We'll do.
So
Oh, I haven't written the steps in my feature file yet.
yeah, you should put some steps in here.
Okay.
So yeah, so you can put a space between each comment and then we can write under each comment like the corresponding. Yeah.
Okay. So then in here it's.
Like first we need to check if we have this checkbox checked, right?
Okay.
So we do when.
When scenarios restrict the movie. Okay. Do they have an iPhone? Okay, so is it when I check PGR?
Uh, uh, it depends. Like if you want yeah, okay, fine.
G. That's all the other ratings, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think
Okay.
you are missing a word. You should take a look on the function on the step you created it.
Okay. Um.
Just go to the movie. Yep.
Oh,
So
following ratings. I see.
yeah, the following ratings.
That's what I was missing. Ratings, then enter, step submit, and do we have that in here?
What are you looking
Oh,
for?
do we not have a submit? Um,
Yeah. So
it says
to the
enter
same
step
time,
to submit.
yeah. So we want to simulate that capybara go and push the submit button. Okay.
Okay.
So to do that, we should use the verb press. Press will simulate this action.
Okay, I
Yeah.
press
Yeah, and press,
sub.
and then we should search for the ID of this button
Oh,
or the label of this button. You see
I
what
think
I
it's
mean?
submit ratings. Yes, yes, I'm understanding. I think it's submit ratings.
Uh, uh,
Oh,
it, it,
it's
it, it, should,
refresh.
it should be some string. So the best way to go to the Rotten Potato website and then
Okay.
view page source, and then you look at the submit. You can use either like
Okay.
the refresh directly, or rating submit, which is the idea of the button.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then enter steps to ensure that the PG and R movies are still visible. Is that when you do then I should see, hold on, what's the keywords? Then I should see
Yeah. The
all
best
movies?
the best way to know which function, which step you should call, you go to web steps, to web underscore steps
Oh,
dot rb,
web
and then
steps.
yeah, and then you search. Yeah, go to the file. I don't know
Okay, I don't have the
if you have
file
it
up.
if you have it open.
I don't. I'm just gonna run this. There we go. Okay. CG.
Yeah, just open the web steps the file. Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So you search where, like now it is some kind, we have done the precondition, we have done the test. Now we can see what we expect. So we should search for then, not for when. Then I
Okay,
should,
then I should see.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it, as you can see in here, this one takes two type of input. It takes a
Okay.
regex,
Yes.
where it search for it in the path, like the address
Mhm.
of the web page, or
Okay.
it take the text directly and it search for it in the text of your HTML.
Okay. So then I should see, oh, now I have to go through all of these. All the
Yeah.
PG and R movies.
Yep.
So that
Uh,
would be the Terminator.
yep. It is case sensitive, and
It
if you
is?
yeah, yeah, it is case sensitive, and if you have one additional, how to say, like space, it will make a problem. Every
Oh,
you
okay.
create. Yeah,
Oh, I
I
should
see.
probably spell should. And then okay.
Ah, I see. Yeah. Okay, it's fine.
Good. Down here, should I do the same thing except say should not?
Yeah, like you should take a look on the web steps again to see if there is a step called when I should not see.
Yes. Yes, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, here it is. So yeah, it's fine.
Oh geez. Um, Aladdin. I did not spell that right. A
Yeah,
L A.
one L, two D.
Yes, there we go. Aladdin. Wait.
And then you
Oh,
have
I did.
yeah 2001 space. I don't know what.
Space Odyssey? Yeah. I've got these. These are PG-13, so they should not be seen.
Ah, okay.
There we go. And then 2001 Space Odyssey.
Yep. Hmm.
A Space Odyssey. I did not spell that right either. I'm gonna check. Oh, geez. Oh gosh, I can never spell that word. I'm really bad at spelling, if you haven't noticed.
Ah, you are better than me for sure.
There he is. Okay. There's only one D? Okay. That's a struggle. Is that it? Nope, chicken run. There we go.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, now I can run it.
Yeah, now we can try it.
Okay, and then it's 24, right?
Yep. Hmm. Like in any case, it will run the background because it always run it. You know what I
Hmm.
mean? It's the background. It always run. What's wrong?
Yeah.
There is something failing.
Yes, it says there's no.
Ah,
Oh,
because
it's features.
yeah, because you are inside features. You should
Okay,
go to Rotten Potatoes.
there we go. It's taking a long time.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's
What's
not
wrong?
happy. Okie dokie, where did it start? Syntax error, unexpected end. Oh, that's the worst. This really doesn't help me much at all.
Oh, oh, oh. Go up, please. Uh, top. Oh, where is it? Where is the error?
Oh, I think I know what's going on.
You should go to movies tab. Yeah, probably.
Ha,
And
I don't have
then
an end.
yeah, you need an end.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay.
On C9 it takes longer. Still,
Ugh,
what's wrong now? Yeah, you need to have another end for the do.
what?
You need to have another end for the do. If take a look on
Oh,
your
I
move,
see it.
yeah, you have renting list, you have do, and then you need to have an end.
This is why I like curly braces. You never forget the curly braces.
Let's hope some green.
Yeah. Well, no, because like I'm
Ah,
always
now is better. No, but it is jumping a
it
lot of
failed
stuff.
something.
Yeah, what I can.
Unable to find checkbox. What?
Ah, you need an S. You are missing an S at the end of rating. It
Ah,
is ratings.
spelling, it gets you every time.
Mm. We need some green now.
Yes,
Yes, nicer, better.
so much better.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this scenario we passed this one.
Yes.
Now, but we didn't finish the whole file. I guess we need
No,
to
I still have to
implement.
do
Mm, that it is
sort movie list.
no, still in the filter you need to we need.
Yeah, I know. I still have the all ratings selected.
Yeah. So for scenario or ratings, blah blah blah. So you need to be sure that all ratings are yeah, you can see all movies when you are checking all boxes.
Yeah.
So
Hang on.
apparently you can do it in several ways. One of them is
Okay.
to check the numbers of row as they said in here in the hint
Yeah.
in the table. So I don't know. What do you think? How can we do it?
See. If your computer has number two these.
But first
I
first
guess.
yeah yeah go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
Well, the way I would have done it in Java is if it was just an array of movies, I would have checked the length.
Yeah, that's what we will do indeed. What first what we should do that we want to write some steps to check this.
Yes.
Yeah, and I guess like the first thing is to write a win. Like when I'm having all of them checked, I should have
Then
something.
check like that.
Uh, yep, but I don't know. Do we have this step? Let's see if we run it, what will happen.
It would break, wouldn't it? Because I
Probably.
don't have. I should.
Yeah,
Yeah, I should
you
see all
should.
movies isn't
Yeah,
implemented.
so first we may look if in the web steps if we have
Yeah.
this function this step of I should have all movies. Probably we don't have. Then that's what I should see. I should see. Maybe yeah. No, no, like that's how I've done it. Indeed, I've searched for this kind of stuff in web steps
Yeah.
using I should have.
No, there's nothing there saying all
Yeah,
movies.
so probably we'll need to implement. I think you will need to implement it.
Yeah. But in
Create
here, couldn't you
create
just
steps.
iterate through the movie list?
Yeah, right. Hmm? Sorry.
Well, in here, just to make it easier, couldn't you iterate through the movie list?
But the thing we should look what is appearing in the HTML, not in the movie,
Oh,
not
okay.
in the database. You know what I mean?
So we should only be concerned with the HTML, not the database, when doing the steps.
Like in this one, we will check both of them because we need to be sure that all movies that are in the database
Uh-huh.
exist on the HTML because we have all checkbox checked.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. So so we need to to say to Capybara to in a way that to check how many movies or what are the movies that exist on our HTML, and
Okay.
then compare them to what we have in the database, if they are like
Okay.
in the total database, because now we are considering that we are not filtering, we are not doing anything at all. So we should have
Okay.
the whole database on the web page.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I thought about it, I think. And yeah,
Yes. No, that makes sense.
yeah,
Complete sense.
it succeeded, more or less.
Yes.
Like at first I wrote a crazy code, but it worked.
Yeah. No, that's normally how it happens. You just write crazy code.
Mm.
Okay, so how do I?
So one of the thing that that's why I wrote this crazy code.
Mhm.
If you take a look on my code on this commented part,
Mhm.
like what I've done at the beginning, like in this movie dot all dot each, what I wanted to do to check if to take each movie from my
Mhm.
database and check if Capybara can see it.
Okay.
But what was wrong in this code, that I'm taking a whole movie. A whole movie is a hash,
Yeah.
and Capybara cannot see a hash. It should see some kind
Yes.
of a string. So that was wrong.
Yeah.
So I should have done like movie dot all dot, I guess, values ratings or
Yeah.
hashes, yeah, or like movie titles, and then I can do this step. I should see like
Okay.
the title. That's that,
Yeah.
but that's a complicated way, because we
Yeah.
have this step I should see,
Exactly.
in web step we have this I should see step. So that's why I tried to use it, but it was not a good way. So what I've done
Okay.
next, what I've thought, is to use what their hint is to count
Mhm.
the number of rows that exist
Mhm.
in the HTML file, and to compare
Okay.
them, how many to compare to how many movies I have in my database. And if they are equal,
Okay.
it means we show everything.
Okay. So page dot all.
Yeah. So page, it takes the resource, your HTML resource dot all, it
Huh?
takes everything, and then in here I'm putting the ID at movies,
Uh.
because
Okay.
if you go to the HTML resource again, you will see that my table is called at movies, if I'm not wrong. Where is it?
Yes.
Mm.
And it's a T-body type.
Yeah, and then I'm going to tag, which is called tbody, and then
Mhm.
to tr, because it is a row, and I'm
Yes.
counting them.
Okay.
So if you
Okay.
yeah,
Yes, that makes sense.
yeah, yep. So in the resource file, you will see that, yeah, the how to say, the table is called hashtag, like it's called movies indeed, and then you
Okay.
need to add hashtag that to say that it is an ID.
Okay.
Mm.
So I save that. So I should be able to run all of
Yeah.
movie list feature,
Hmm.
and it should pass.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Ah, undefined. You left unimplemented, or what happened? What's happening?
No, I didn't. I should see all the. Ah, that's not. Oh, okay. I should see all the movies,
Yeah.
not all movies. That's what I forgot.
Mm.
Yay!
Yes.
Okay.
It is done. That's the worst part.
Yeah.
The other part was
Watching the
easy.
test. Okay. So this part.
Mm, yeah, so I don't know if you want to commit to Git or not.
Oh, and I don't know if I'm on Git right now. I don't
Yeah,
remember.
yeah, but
I'll try.
yeah, it's up to you. You can, yeah, you can initialize it and add your files and commit them as you wish. No, probably you are not. So you need to initialize it at the beginning, probably.
And how would I do that?
So git
Hmm.
space init. Yep.
Okay. And then
And
I do git commit.
no, no, you need to add everything first. So you need to git add star
Ah,
because yeah,
did it add it all?
yeah. Now you can push like git commit and then you will get. Because if you don't add, you are not staging your files, and then
So
it doesn't
yeah,
commit anything. Yeah,
yeah,
I know that because yesterday I was trying to do it and it was was not working.
yeah. Okay, I think it worked.
Yep.
Okay. Almost done. Okay, so sort movies alphabetically. When I follow movie title, should I have to change anything in movie steps.rb anymore?
Probably.
Probably.
Take a look on it. Take a look on it and go to movie step.
Oh,
You are on web. Yeah. Go. Yeah. If you see this step, we need to implement. Go up a bit.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry.
Opla. Okay. Yep. What is it? I should see star. Yeah. Before star. So this is.
Well, we're missing the follow. That's what I'm checking for. Do we already have a when I follow?
Yeah. This is implemented in Capybara.
Ah, I see. I found it. Okay. And then it should just be a really easy when I follow. Is it a then? Yes. Then I should see.
So we are doing in alphabetic order. So if we check the first two,
Yes.
if they are in the right order, probably the remaining are fine.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like if we have some kind of a row which is totally
Yes.
messed up, and then we sorted, right? The first two should
Hmm.
be in the right order, right?
Okay.
And yeah, the higher two. So if they are in the right order, probably the remaining will be fine. So we don't like
Okay.
I've tested several of them, but probably we don't need to test many of them. We just need to test just the first two. You can try it with the first two.
Okay.
Mm.
I'll try that.
No, no, no. Yeah, right. That's it. Yeah, if you want, we can run just the scenario, and you can see if
Okay.
it pass.
That is line 24. Let's sort movie list. Ruh-roh.
What's wrong?
Oh, Lord.
Whoa. Expected, blah, blah, blah. I cannot see.
I
Okay.
have it written correctly.
Hmm. Let me see in the code.
Right here?
Uh, yep. Uh, hmm. Did you? I cannot see if you use like this kind of curly or you use minus. I cannot differentiate. Is it
Where?
like
Right here?
no after page body should
It's a tilde.
it is not like a minus.
No, it's not. Should it be a minus?
No. It is right. It is at
Okay.
yeah yeah. Oh, that's weird. So what's wrong now? Can you come back to the
To the
sort
air?
part? Yeah, yeah, to the yeah to this movie. Where is it? To sort movie list feature.
Yes. Just give me 1 second. Ah, I think that's it.
You forgot the star.
Yes, I forgot the star.
Okay.
Ah, simple
So
mistakes.
it's some kind of regular expression that tells you that if my ID is after this one and start to tell that it is like some kind not just after, it can be further even. If the
There it is.
usually
It's working.
yeah yeah
Okay. Okay. So that's all good. Next one. Oops. Release date. Isn't that the same thing except just
yeah.
looking at the release date?
So you already done like the first and the second question of this part 3 because
Okay.
the first one just tell you to create, then I should see.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then to try it. Now you need to sort by how to say by date. So
Yeah.
it will be
Is earlier dates, like, is 2001 supposed to come before 1989?
yep.
Like, yes, it is. 2001 comes
No
before.
no no increase, like
Okay.
no,
So,
1989 should come before 2001.
okay.
Mm.
So Raiders of the Lost Ark. Oh, no, no. So 2001 A Space Odyssey should come before Raiders of the Lost Ark.
But
Correct?
one is 86. We are looking at the release date
Yes, because this one's
now.
in 68.
Yeah,
Raiders of the Lost Ark is in 81.
yeah, yeah. So it will be correct probably. What I've done is to took this the last two dates, like the 2011 and the 2004.
Okay.
But
With
it will be, but it's the same probably. Doesn't make a difference.
okay.
Yeah.
It worked.
It worked. That's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Was that it?
Yeah, that's a homework, I guess. Probably. Yeah. But now you need to zip them. Yeah.
Okay.
To compress them and yeah, try to see
Okay.
copy.
What is it? Tar.
Uh, co, co yeah, copy it from the homework is better.
Yeah. Okay. There it is. Features tar How do I get it from the virtual machine?
Sorry?
How do I get it from the virtual machine to my computer then to submit?
No, no, you don't. Just open Firefox.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Oh, just
just
submit it on here.
submit it
Duh.
from the virtual machine. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Uh, let's see if you will get the 500 or not, because yeah, I struggled a lot today because of this function, and then I was not sure after that.
Yeah.
Because the grader is really a mess up. Like it gives you that you have an error here, but the error is somewhere, is totally somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I was looking in the wrong in the wrong place.
Yeah, no, I can believe it. Like,
Yeah,
I help TA classes, and auto grading, as much as it helps, it just hurts.
yeah,
Like, auto graders don't do as good of a job as a teacher looking over the code, but then again, who has the time to look over hundreds of programs?
that's for sure. Yeah, right. So, so in which language do you
Java.
mentor?
I
Yeah,
teach Java.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hang on, it's connecting. Browse. Oh my gosh. Okay. Be under file system. Oh Lord.
No, no. You
Where
go
is it?
to document probably.
Home.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Yep.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
It's taking too long.
Yeah. Well, apparently there are many people submitting right now.
That's
Even, even
true. At least it's not like
the
Thursday close to midnight.
yeah, you know, the main problem in here that many, even when you do mistake on your machine, it pass the test.
Yes.
Oh, you get the 500. Good.
Yes. Okay, I needed that. I'm so scared for the quiz.
So how much do you have now? Like in your progress? Probably I
Um,
already passed, I guess. And you should be already yeah. Like
well,
if you
no,
look at
because
the
remember I did really bad on that first quiz. Hang on, I probably shouldn't be. I'm gonna kill the broadcast first.
yeah.
I won't be broadcasting my grades. All right. And then if you want to just stay on call, I'll keep the screen share up.